Hi guys, this is Aaron from HiSynG. So today we're going to demonstrate how to bind your Stargazer mini drone to your TX100 controller. Alright, first of all, we'll take a EX600 flight battery. I'll slide in the drone. The drone will power on. We'll just wait for a second until the self-check is complete and the tail light will see it's going left and right, left and right, left and right until... Alright, there we go. And we need to flip open the canopy just a little bit. We don't have to take the whole thing off, just a little bit. So wrap your finger around the front arm and the rear arm and pinch the left side, the middle portion of the canopy, and we'll just do this, pry it open. And actually you don't have to worry about this buckle. This is really strong. You would never break it. You can do this many times you want. This actually wouldn't break and it's still gonna be very tight. All right, here, this one is the bind button. You have to hold it down for like 2 seconds until the tail lights start to blink rapidly in multiple colors, like this. All right, so now you have about 30 seconds. All right, so grab a hold of your controller, press and hold the purple L1 button and power it on. All right, see the tail light start to blink like twice, and at this moment, this drone is ready to fly, and your controller is bind to your drone. And you can just press it, snap it in place, and your drone will be ready to fly. Or you can just try it out, just press the engine start, and it turns, then you're good to go. And you will never have to bind it again unless you want to change to another controller or you get a new drone. And that's pretty much it. Now you know how to bind your Stargazer to your TX100 controller. Thank you guys.